You've changed the basic settings, but your battery is still draining? That's because iOS 26.2 has hidden power-hungry features that Part 1 didn't cover. I'm Protech Genius, and today we are going deep into the advanced battery configuration to squeeze every last drop of power out of your iPhone. Setting 1. Adaptive Power Mode. This is the biggest addition in 2025. Unlike low power mode, adaptive power uses AI to save battery without lagging your phone. Go to Settings Battery. Power Mode. Enable adaptive power. It intelligently lowers the CPU speed only when it predicts you have a long day ahead. If this advanced tip helped you, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I drop the most detailed iPhone optimization guides on YouTube. Join the Protech Genius family. Setting 2. OLED Pure Dark Mode. Most people use dark mode, but they don't use it correctly for OLED screens. Go to Settings, Display and Brightness. Ensure dark is selected. Then, go to Accessibility. Display and text size and turn on Reduce White Point to 25%. This forces the OLED pixels to use significantly less voltage. Setting 3. Liquid Glass Motion Index. The new Liquid Glass UI is beautiful, but the high frame rate blurs eat battery. Go to Settings, Accessibility Motion. Turn on Limit Frame Rate if you are on a Pro model, or toggle on Reduce Motion to stop the Liquid Glass engine from constant real-time rendering. Setting 4. Journaling Suggestions. A new battery hog in iOS 26.2 is Journaling Suggestions, which constantly uses sensors to find moments. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security. Journaling Suggestions. Tap Turn Off All. This stops the background sensor polling that happens every few minutes. Setting 5. Fitness Tracking. If you have an Apple Watch, your iPhone doesn't need to track your steps too. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security. Motion and Fitness. Turn off fitness tracking. This puts the motion coprocessor to sleep, saving you about 3 to 5% per day. Combined with the tips from my first video, these configurations will make your iPhone 16 a battery beast. If you missed the foundation of the setup, you need to go back and watch Part 1 immediately to ensure your baseline settings are correct. Hit that like button, subscribe to Protech Genius, and click the video on your screen right now to watch Part 1 of the proper battery configuration.